I decided to spend my last day of 2017 riding my bike from my house through the city and down to the beach. It was extremely overcast that day and the visibility was very low. It even kind of looked like there was snow on the ground. It was really weird. The whole overcast day was kind of depressing, and so my friend Jeremy and his brother decided to join me, and all three of us rode our bikes down to the end of the peninsula. So we stop and take a break. We hang out at this park, and I'm standing there staring at the water, and just then the sun breaks through the clouds, and I get this awesome feeling. As we rode our bikes back home, I was just thinking to myself, who cares? Who cares if 2017 wasn't that great? I should just focus on making 2018 the best year ever. And with that in mind, we got ready to have a party.
We're right here.
Yes.
Falling fast, can we move it slower? Your touch so sweet, I hate it.